Basketball, you betcha I'm back in the building. It is the Daily Trainer. And you know I'm not going to leave you hanging because we still got a full week of basketball ahead of us. So there's only one thing to do. Let's get started. And we're going to start right away with laying that ball up smooth off the glass. Oh, yeah, we're going right into shooting. Right into it. All right, we're laying it up. I want 20 makes on the right side, 20 makes on the left side. Then I want you to roll that basketball out, work your footwork, inside pivot with the reverse pivot, and boom. And we're going, laying that basketball up, okay? Then we're going to work the outside, spin outside, and then we're going to finish our layup. You're going to give me 10 of those on each side, all right? Then we are going to go lane to lane on the layups, and we're going to make those, and that will be your layups for today, all right? Actually, I'm going to have layups for you again towards the end, but that'll be for conditioning aspect only, all right? So that's the end of the layups for right now. So you're going to make 20 right under the basket, 20 on the left side, that's 40 makes. Then you got 10 on the right side, 10 on the left side. So now we're looking at 60, okay? And then we have them on the outside spin, and the other outside pivot as well. And then that's going to be 80, all right? So you are making 80 layups before you get into any type of other situation. Remember the questions that were asked of you the other day. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? And can you make plays while you're tired? So I want you to go full speed, and as you start to get tired, let's see how bad those layups get. Now you can jump off 2 feet. Make sure you're balanced. Make sure you're making shots while you're tired. That is what we're working on. Focused training. Making sure we can make plays when it really counts. Anybody can make plays when they come in the gym and they're fresh, but can you make plays while you're tired? All right, basketball, you know we're moving to the next phase of things, and that's going to be dribbling, baby. Let's go. Now we are dribbling that basketball. We are working our right hand pounds low, our pounds mid, our pounds high, okay? We're going to work that for 30 seconds. Then we're going to switch hands. We're going to work it low. We're going to work the mid. Then we're going to work the high. It's 30 seconds. Then we're going to work our V dribbles. Then we're going to work it right hand. We're going to work it left hand. Okay. Then we are going to work our side dribbles. Okay. So that dribble's nice and warmed up. Then we're going to start moving with it. Okay. We're going to start moving with it. Okay. I want a in and out cross through the legs. Okay. We're going to do that on both sides. Then I want through the legs, behind the back, cross it over. We're going to do that. And then what I want is I want a cross through the legs. Okay, so we're going to cross through. All right, so we're really working on snapping that dribble, keeping that handle tight. And then why not, man? Just go through the legs and cross it over as well, okay? So all these will be 30 seconds long. You can go up and back on your block. You can go up and down the court. Just make it 30 seconds long so you're working your conditioning aspect as well, all right? We haven't really got into the moves yet, but you know what? Let's get into the moves today. So we're going to go in and out, okay, off the top of the cone, and we're going to finish layups, okay? So you're going to go straight from the top. There's going to be one cone at the center. You could either put it at the free throw line if you're a little bit younger, or you could put it at the top of the three. So you're going to go in and out. You're going to finish the layup, okay? Then you're going to work on a separation dribble where you're going to step forward. You're going to bring the ball back. You're going to square up. Then you're going to go finish that layup, okay? And then you're going to work crossovers, and then you're going to go lay it up. Let's get 5 of these in because these can get tiring after making the move, going full speed, laying it up, and then running all the way back. So you can start from the half court, you can start from like a volleyball line, or you can start short range where you're coming from like that 3-point line and you have it at the free throw line and you go finish the layup a little bit quicker, a little bit easier, okay? You can work out a triple threat or you can do live dribble. Right now, what I've been doing is just a live dribble. So you can go right out of live dribble to copy me, or you can step up a little bit closer to the cone to where you can put it down for one dribble and then go off of that. So whatever your flavor is, then do it. All right, basketball you. Again, can you make plays while you're tired? Are you in the best shape? And then the simple question is, are you in shape? Okay, so that's what we're thinking about when we do this. Please do not forget those questions. And of course, this is my favorite part of the day. Defense, baby. Oh yeah, we got to get it done. If we don't get it done, we can't have fun. When people can't score on me, I think that's the most fun part of the game. I don't have to score, and you can't score. So guess what? We're going to be playing all day long until somebody gets a bucket. But I know for sure you're not getting one. Basketball you, that's the mentality you got to have when somebody's trying to get a bucket on you. You're not guarding. You can't score on me. I'm elite. Okay? So that's what you have to keep that mindset. You are elite. You will be elite. So let's just keep working at that. All right. So first thing we're going to do first, though, we're going to rebound that basketball. So we're throwing it up off the glass. We're rebounding it. We're putting it back up. If you can throw it off the glass and catch it in the air and rebound it and put it back up before touching the ground, that's even better. But if not, we're going to come down with 2 hands. We're going to make sure nobody's slapping that ball around us. And then we're going to make sure we can go back up strong and finish the layup. Okay, you're going to make 10 of those on one side and 10 on the other. All right, we're only going to do 2 sets of those. All right, then after, we're going to go into our slide drills from the baseline. Okay, and then we're going to work on our square drills. Okay, so we're going to close out. We're going to slide to the right or the left. Then we're going to slide diagonally. Then we're going to sprint up. Okay, and then we have our other one where we're going to go full speed. We're going to slide on the baseline. We're going to go back pedal. We're going to slide. We're going to slide back, sprint, slide on the baseline, and then slide back. So knocking those square drills out. And then I want you to work on some quick twitch things where you're going to hop on one foot, okay, in a square, okay, to keep the whole square thing going. Just work a quick agility. It's going to burn those legs up just a little bit, but just fight through that pain. Remember, we're going to hop in that square, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be 2. You're resting your leg when you're hopping on the other one, so you're going to go right back into the next set. I want 5 sets on each leg. Yeah, it's going to burn, it's going to hurt, but you're going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Then I want you to do a 17 for conditioning, okay? Then I also want lane slides. And you know what? That's about it as far as the defense goes. And then your conditioning drill today will be fun, okay? You're going to do this 3 times in a row. The reason why you're doing it 3 times in a row is because you're going to be exhausted on that 3rd time. You're doing the layup drill from the 5 spots. You're going to go from the corner. That's 1. You're going to go from the wing. That's 2. You're going to go from the top. 3. You're going to go from another wing. 4. Then you're going to go baseline. 5. Okay, so, and then you're going all the way back around again. You're going to do that 3 times. A full set is you going all the way around and coming back. That's 1. So don't count 1, 2, 3 and end up on that other side. All right, don't cheat yourself. You don't want to cheat yourself. If you cheat yourself, that's the only way you're going to get beat. Okay, so take it from a winner. It's time, basketball you, to go to work each and every day. And you know how we play, hard as ever. We're the hardest working group in the world. Yep, not your city, not your county, not your state, in the world. But one thing I do want you to remember is someone's always working. Are you?